We've heard of houses for rent, cars for rent, venues for rent, among other things. But have you heard of bank accounts for rent? Well, the police have discovered the illicit scheme which they believe is being used to facilitate online scams in Jamaica. It comes as 6 persons were charged for defrauding several local bank account holders.
In recent times, dozens of Jamaicans have reported losing money from their local bank accounts. On Friday, a shocking revelation from the head of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division, CTOC, Senior Superintendent of Police, Dr. Anthony McLaughlin.
The Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Fraud Squad has been receiving quite a number of complaints about persons who are renting or making their bank accounts accessible to scammers or persons who are committing criminal activities. And what they do is to allow persons to transfer funds into their accounts.
The police believe the persons seeking out accounts for rent are actually online scammers who have defrauded local bank customers and are looking for a safe place to stash the cash. In strongly discouraging the practice, SSP McLaughlin urged those bank account renters that the police will also be coming after them with the full force of the law.
And you will be charged if once we have completed the investigations for unauthorized access, making your account available for criminal transactions. We'll be also charging you for the Proceeds of Crimes Act. And we just want to advise you that once persons are asking you to use your account to facilitate these transactions, you should not do it.
It comes as 6 people were slapped with various fraud charges between January 1 and 25, 2024 relating to those charges. In total, $6 million Jamaican dollars was defrauded from local bank customers. In a statement, the police also indicated that in 2023, there were over 355 reports of online fraud and over 170 million Jamaican dollars stolen.
We will be going all out to arrest these persons, and already, as I said, we have arrested 6 persons. And so if you are one of them who allow your accounts to be used, then we'll be coming after you.